Supreme Court has stayed the death sentence of Ajmal Kasab till it hears the jail plea filed rather by the amicus on his behalf. Let's tell you that this afternoon Supreme Court staying the death sentence awarded to Pakistani national Ajmal Kasab for his role in 26/11. Meenakshi joining us with the details.
Yes, indeed. What is happening here is evidence of how sacrosanct the Supreme Court and all the judiciary in India places on the concept that the premium that the rule of law concept is placed by the Indian Constitution and Indian judiciary. And at the outset, as the court convened to take cognizance of Kasab's jail plea, the Honorable Supreme Court has had this to say, and I quote, that the demand of our Constitution is such that even if it is a deterrent to us, sometimes we have to do whatever we can to uphold the rule of law. The court system may not be perfect, but we have to uphold the sanctity of the due process, unquote. Now, saying this, the court felt that the jail petition, the letter that Kasab had written to it from the confines of the jail, merited consideration because the Constitution says so, and therefore taking that into cognizance, what we have seen and here is quite dramatic, as the Supreme Court has now taken cognizance of the plea and will hear the matter at great length, thereby by default the sentencing on Kasab, the death sentence which Kasab was undergoing is stayed. Now that is the big breaking news, and alongside, like you rightly mentioned, amicus curiae has been appointed, Mr. Rajiv Ramchandran, senior advocate. He has now been vested with the responsibility of placing forth facts before the Supreme Court.